China, from Shunhao. Do you want to find the machines to make the melamine trees? This is the melamine trees, very strong, high quality. Okay, we are the factories to make the melamine press machines. This is a Shunhao brand from China, and we are already making the machines for more than 20 years, and the design from Taiwan is very hard and strong quality. You can see there's 300 tons and 400 tons in our workshop under testing. 300 ton machine we will send to Kenya and other countries in Africa, and 400 ton machines we plan to send to Egypt, and also 500 tons and 600 tons machine will send to India. So there are many customers now ordering the machines from Shunhao, and 600 and we are making the 800 ton machines we send to Turkey. So if you want to find any good quality manufacturers to make the melamine tableware from China, welcome to visit Shunhao and get cooperation with us. Thank you.